Welcome class 5 in your e-learning classes, and this is your EVS class. We have completed already the chapter number 3. Now we will start the chapter number 4, Mangoes Round the Ears. So it is a story form, but before that there is little bit given in the book. There are few children, they are discussing about their tiffin. Different type of tiffin they have been bought in the school, and they are just discussing about the taste of the tiffin and whatever they have brought it, what is their taste and whatever they like to eat. Okay. So the first one is Neetu is saying, wow, Aman's lunch box has sweet puris. So maybe Neetu likes to eat the sweet puris, and then Aman is saying, hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabzi, and then that means they are having the different kind of tiffin. Now Preeti is saying, I have got bhindi. Oh Neetu, I think your potato sabzi is spoiled. Again Aman is saying that his sabzi is becoming spoiled. So how he come to know the sabzi is spoiled? Because if the food items are being spoiled, then there is a foul smell comes out from the food, and we come to know the smell is not good, so the food condition of the food is not so good. Now next one is, don't eat that, you may fall sick. Here you take some bhindi. So Aman offered her to take some bhindi because Preeti offered her to take some bhindi, because if we eat the spoiled food, it can make us ill or it can make us sick. Okay. So there are some questions. How did Aman know that the potato sabzi have gone spoiled? We come to know the sabzi is being spoiled by the foul smell. The smell comes out from the sabzi, and sometimes the color of the sabzi or the color of the curry is also being changed if it once spoiled. And then sometimes we also observe it, a little bit water is excreted out from the sabzi or from the cooked food. So these all are the characteristics. If the food is being spoiled, we come to know. Okay. Now the next question, have you ever seen some food that got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? Yes, I have seen, and I think you have also seen. Sometimes we bring the food which was made in the last day night in our home, and we bring it in our tiffin for our tiffin, and the food started to smelling when we just open the lid. The food started to smelling, and sometimes it also happens when we just keep the food in a very warm state. That time also it will become spoiled. But usually, if the time period has been passed, then the food is being spoiled, and we come to know from its smell and unusual. Sometimes we will see the color of the food items again changes, and sometimes we see the water is being releases from the food. Why it happens? Because when the time is over or the food material is started to decay, that means bacteria, viruses, they attack your food. When they attack the food items, they try to decompose the food item. That's why the color of the food is being changed, and they started to changing into its nutrients, so that foul smell also come out from the food. Okay. Now Preeti told Neetu not to eat the potato sabzi. What would have happened if she eaten it? If she eaten it, the acidity will increase inside the body, and the food is already being spoiled, so it is not good to absorb in the body, because spoiled food item means bad nutrients will go inside our body which are not required inside our body. That these all will make us sick. So it is better to take the fresh fruit and the fresh food and the food which are not being spoiled. Next question, just turn over your page number 36. Look in your kitchen and write down the names of the food item which get spoiled in 2 to 3. So 2 to 3 days we will see milk, bread, these rice, these are being raw or these are being spoiled. Can we keep for a week? So we can keep potato, onion, tomato, cake and pudding we can keep for a week. Now would not spoil any 1 month. So if you see that 1 month is a long time, and the cooked food item will always be spoiled in this time. But what are the food items? If we keep the raw things like rice, wheat, dal, these will not spoil within 1 month. Even the pickles will also not become changed, or it will not become spoiled within 1 month. Now, look at your friends list and discuss. You will discuss it. When food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? Generally, we just if we do some gardening, that time we changes this food into the decompose it, and we make it the compost out of it, and generally we just throw it out in our bin boxes. And the one small type of event is given here. Aman's Biji went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of the bread and gave it to the Biji. She looked at it and returned it immediately. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why Biji returned it. So as we know, there is in every food item you will see in the corner there is a given made of the manufacturer and in which date or in which date will get expired. That means expiry date is also given on the packet. So by seeing the expiry date of the food items, we come to know it. Now it is not consumable, or we cannot consume these food item because expiry date has been just gone, or you can say the dates are being gone in which the food should be good. So we should not have to take any food item which are having in the expiry date or after the expiry date. So that's all for today, and next day I will take another part of the chapter. Till that, goodbye. Have a nice day.